I'm here with Duke of Edinburgh International Award with gold and silver participants. We're taking part in the River Stabilisation project under OECS and RIF. We started this project in July with a group of students from Riverbank Primary School, the Scouts, and we did a river stabilization in Malgretoute. It was not complete, so we decided when we had our original camp to bring the campus to complete the project here. And we're very happy that OECS was able to bring us on board.
The Duke of Edinburgh program is a program designed to challenge participants to reach a particular goal, start with silver, bronze, or gold level. Today, we are going to be doing a community service, riverbank stabilization, by planting trees on the side of the river to prevent erosion and heavy rainfall.
Hi, my name is Tikon James. I'm from Antigua and Barbuda. I'm currently doing my silver of Duke of Edinburgh in St. Lucia, which it's a beautiful country. This is my first Caribbean country I've ever been to. And plus, today we're doing a community service by planting trees along the riverbank to prevent soil erosions.
Today I'm very excited to be working with the rest of my teammates on a project for Riverbank Stabilisation. Today we'll be working on planting trees to ensure that the silt doesn't continue to block the river. I think the Duke of Edinburgh program is an excellent experience that I would certainly recommend to anyone who is interested in furthering their people skills, their leadership skills, and just having the opportunity to experience another beautiful country in the Caribbean, learn more about the culture, and work on a project that can help the local community.